ATA 52, Passenger Compartment Emergency Exit. For the evacuation of the passengers, there are 4 emergency exit doors as well as 4 regular passenger crew doors. 2 emergency exit doors are installed on each side of the cabin. 2 forward of the wing leading edge and 2 aft of the wing trailing edge. The operation is similar to that of the normal passenger doors. The forward left emergency exit door is larger in size than the others and is known as a 73-inch door. The 3 other emergency exit doors are 60-inch doors. Door operation from outside or inside and an emergency is identical for all the emergency doors. The emergency exit door is installed with a support arm and 2 guide arms, which maintain the door parallel to the fuselage in operation. The door mechanism is manually operated. It locks and keeps the door in the safety closed position. It also unlocks and lifts the door before you can move the unlocked door to the open position. The primary components of the door locking mechanism are the door handle mechanism, the locking shaft mechanism, the balance mechanism, the lifting mechanism. The lifting mechanism will lock, unlock the door, and operate the lifting mechanism. This moves the door up so that the lateral guide rollers come free from the fuselage guide fittings. A balance mechanism decreases the force necessary to operate the lifting mechanism. The door moves inwards, upwards, and forward parallel to the fuselage and is locked by a mechanical lock in the open position. The door lock-open mechanism is installed on the support arm. To close the door, operate the release button so that the spring-loaded linkage releases the locking hook. The escape slide release mechanism operates the automatic inflation system. There are 2 modes. The armed mode for the emergency door operation. The disarmed mode for normal door operation. The disarmed mode allows the door to be manually opened without escape slide operation. When the door is opened from the inside of the cabin in the armed mode, the emergency operation cylinder releases nitrogen to assist the door into its fully open position. The cylinder is shown in maintenance position with the safety pin installed. The escape slide release mechanism operates the automatic inflation system to inflate the escape slide installed below the door. When the door is unlocked from the outside in the armed mode, the escape slide release mechanism is automatically disarmed. The door damper hydraulically limits the speed of the door under normal operating conditions. Under emergency conditions, the door damper acts as an actuator to open the door rapidly. To initiate emergency operation, the release lever is raised by door upward movement. The percussion mechanism breaks the diaphragm of the pressure accumulator and causes the nitrogen gas from the pressure accumulator to extend the actuator piston rod. A pressure gauge and pressure switch are mounted on the pressure accumulator. The pressure gauge has a red, yellow, and green indicator area to show the actual pressure in the gas cylinder. The pressure switch relays a signal to the CIDS if pressure is low. Two proximity switches monitor the locked-unlocked condition and the disarmed-armed condition of the door. One proximity sensor, which is part of the escape slide warning system, transmits a signal to the ECAM system. It gives a warning in the cockpit on the lower ECAM display panel when a door is opened in the armed mode. At the same time, the white indicator light, slide armed, located near the door window, comes on. The other proximity sensor is part of the door warning system and also transmits a signal to the ECAM system. It shows on the lower ECAM display panel when the door is unlocked. An additional proximity sensor and target is installed in the fuselage above the door. This sensor is part of the door warning system and monitors the open-close position on the ECAM page. Now is shown the door ECAM page. Door 1 left-hand side locked and slide armed. All the doors in green are locked and in amber open. The red warning light cabin pressure near the window flashes on ground if the door is in disarmed mode and there is a difference between the inside and outside pressure with the two engines off. Before opening the door, check warning light. Now we will show the emergency exit door in more detail. The structural door components are made of aluminum alloy. They are riveted together to give the door its rigidity. Integrated in the door skin is the exterior handle and window. The door has two hoisting points integrated in the frame segments above the door center line. The door seal is an extruded rubber seal profile with equally spaced pressurization holes. When the cabin is pressurized, the door seal inflates and makes the door pressure tight. Blankets are installed in the interspace of the primary structure for sound and thermal protection. They are attached with Velcro tapes on the inner face of the outer skin. The primary components of the escape slide release mechanism are the arm-disarm unit, the release assembly. Here is shown the operation of the components. The door stop assemblies include the adjustable stops and the related stop fittings. The guide assembly contains the guide rollers and the related guide fittings. Here we see its operation during door movement.